Before we start, make sure to turn on VPN first to turn on threat protection on your device while downloading or streaming. If you're still looking for a VPN service, please do check out the link in the video description below. Clicking this affiliate link will give you the best discount for your VPN subscription, and it will help to support my channel as well. Without further ado, let's start, shall we? So the first step is to download the Downloader app. Once done, go back home, then go to Settings, then look for My Fire TV. Look for Developer option, but then again, if there's no Developer option on display, go to About instead. Look for device name. It may show Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick Lite, etc, etc. Mine shows Fire TV Cube. You click on that 7 times or until it says that you are already a developer. I am now a developer. Now go back. Then go to Developer Options. Install unknown apps. And look for the Downloader app and turn it on. Now press home on your remote. Let's open the Downloader app once again. Click on the URL and type this in. Once the page loads up, press the 3-line button on your remote. And once the menu shows up, press it once more to enable full screen mode. We can now then look for the file type to download. Then it will ask you to install. Once done, make sure to delete it to save up some storage space. And you can now continue on your next or on your other device. If you scroll down, you will see some info here like Amazon deals and the QR scanner. So if you want to open this on your phone, you can do that. Just open your QR scanner app and scan on this to open this same page. Here you can look for activation if you don't have yet. Recommended streaming devices using my Amazon affiliate link, or buy me a coffee, and all those good stuffs. If you find this video quick and easy, please do comment it down below, like and share this video, and subscribe if you have not yet. It will really help my channel with the YouTube algorithm. I guess that's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.